Looking for design inspiration for your kitchen? In this video, we take a look at some of kitchen color combinations, mix and matches, and also some popular design materials as well. Let's dive into some timeless favorites. Classic space with majority of white. It's clean, simple, and goes with everything. Soft gray color on cabinet and wall. Mixture of three colors, gray, creamy, and white. Perfect for a modern, sleek look. Navy blue and gray. This type of color mixes is perfect to show off the artistic and futuristic style. You can add in some marble countertop to make it even better. This type of color represents bold and sophisticated. Pastel yellow brings a sunny, cheerful vibe. Good if you're looking for warm, homey, traditional feeling. White wall with splashes of bright green. If you are looking to design a home with greenery in mind, then this type of color mixture is perfect. To add in the sharpness, some purple furniture will be a good additions. This type of color mixture can be extended all the way to living room. A mixture of brown wooden color cabinet and white wall. This is one of all-time most popular type of kitchen combination in Malaysia. Not overly bright and a splashes of wooden smell. Who can resist this? This is another combination of white color and brown. White on top cabinet and wall with wooden flooring down below. On the topic of wooden flooring, do you know that it is known for the durability and long-lasting, soundproof, environmental friendly, and good for allergies? On top of all that, it oozes the aesthetic of your kitchen. And of course, any kitchen that incorporate marble countertops into its design is going to feel polished and beautiful. Incorporating marble into your kitchen design will also make it more resistant to scratching, cracking, and breaking. Like what you see? Subscribe for more! Hit the like button if you found this to be useful, as there will be more to come.